a star.
Draw me a star.
And the artist drew a star.
It was a good star.
Draw me the sun, says the star. And the artist drew the sun. It was a warm sun.
Draw me a tree, says the sun. And the artist drew a tree. It was a lovely tree. Draw me a woman and a man. And the artist drew a handsome couple.
There was a house, said the couple. And the artist drew a house. It was a strong house.
Draw me a dog, says the house. And the artist drew a dog. It was a big dog.
Draw me a cat, said the dog. Draw me a bird, said the cat. Draw me a butterfly, said the bird.
Draw me a flower, said the butterfly. And the artist drew red and yellow and blue and purple flowers.
Draw us a cloud, said the flowers. And the artist drew clouds, heavy with rain.
Draw me the night, said the rainbow. And the artist drew a dark night.
Draw me the moon, said the night. And the artist drew a full moon. Draw me the star, said the moon.
Down, over, left, and right. Draw a star, also bright.
It was a good star.
Hold on to me, said the star to the artist.
Then, together they travel across the night sky.